Uh-oh, something's wrong. I think it blew up. But we have oil pressure, I don't get it. As you guys can hear the mad ticking, I don't know what's wrong. Yeah, it just kind of stopped and I don't know. Sad day for the Miata. I don't know what the hell happened to it, but it's blown up. I don't know until I diagnose it further, but it's completely I don't know what happened. You hear the ticking pretty bad? Oh God, this is awful. I don't even know if I want to put it into second gear. It's ready to tell us, let's do it. Oh, I think it's my transmission. Is it my I have no idea. The engine, okay. Engine seems fine. My clutch is really soft. This is not good. This is not good at all. Oh man, this sucks. I think I don't know. It had a hard time starting. So anyway, I don't know what happened to it, but I definitely need to get the van back now. This is awful. It's really loud. It almost sounds like my wastegate's not there, but I think we still built boost. I don't know what the hell happened though. Like, this is not good. I'm pretty upset. This is my daily, dude. I don't know what the hell to do now. This is not good whatsoever. I'm trying to limp it home as much as I can, but we got a stop sign up here. Let's see what happens. Like, it just doesn't sound good. There's so much oil, it's... I think my clutch just exploded. I don't know what happened. Yeah, this is not good. Seems to be idling now. I just don't. My clutch is just to the floor, and yeah, not good. Coming up on a hill. Oh shit! Please just stay alive. My clutch is just going to the floor. This is not good. I think we'll make it home though. Oh, not epic. Not epic. Alright guys, so I started tearing down the car a little bit. As you see, it's on jacks, and I guess a little bit of new oil there that's been seeping from the block. Ooh, I wonder if... actually, I'm not getting on there just yet. But, as you can see, I started taking the harness off. I started taking intercooler piping and stuff. But this harness is pretty much all ready to move, unclipped and everything. I just have this one on the power steering pump right there. If you can see in there, that's actually a pretty good angle. Yeah, that's my piston. Yeah, it's not looking too great. So this is gonna be down for quite a while, and then coming in here. Let's see if you can see the cam. Actually, it's not scored. I thought it was earlier. But I'm gonna have to take the valve cover off to really look into it. But from what I can see, I thought it was scored earlier, but if it's not scored, then the head's saved, which is really, really good. But I've come to the conclusion that the oil pump failed on this, and it was just oil starved. That's why it's blue. That's why it blew. But I was only pushing 7 pounds of boost, and when I was cruising before anything started really messing up, I was only hitting 5 pounds because I was just cruising, and I didn't need to go fast. But anyway, I don't know why, but motor's got to come out and all that good stuff, so that's gonna be fun and interesting. And I guess the car's finally down for winter, like it was supposed to be 2 weeks ago. But anyway, we got a lot to do in the next upcoming videos and stuff, and all this, taking this off for like the 1000th time. Anyway, we gotta just pull the engine out, get everything cleaned up, and then I have a chance to powder coat everything, which would be really nice, and clean some stuff up, which would always be good. Anyway, I guess we can't hop in the car anymore because it's on Jack's hands again. Blew up at 120,000 miles. Sad day. Alright guys, so with the Miata being down, the van is going to have to come back a lot sooner than I had expected, but you know, it's been down for 4 years, so don't mind it coming back this early, or I guess so suddenly. I'm going to pick it up tomorrow, so when this video drops, it'll probably be a week out or so. I don't know, I'll probably try to get videos back up for you guys. I know it's been a while. They take so long now because, again, I'm busy with everything else. But with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next video. If you guys have any suggestions for building a new motor, what to do, like I know bottom end definitely needs to be worked on more than the head. So if you guys have any suggestions for pistons, or you have anybody that is selling a 94 to 05 bottom end, let me know. I'm probably gonna have to hit them up and buy that block or bottom end, because hopefully my head is saved. So I didn't see scoring on that one cam. I'm gonna have to take the valve cover off and check all of it. But with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next video. But until then, goodbye.